I'm the emo god, you probably heard my name. I try really hard, but I got no game. It's okay though, I got all my bros. Get away from me, you stinky ass hoes. Trap boys pulling it up, we flexing harder than a bitch.
Today, I want to show you how you can make your own chains for cheaper and how it can also benefit you in a way. So, I have had the liberty of being able to make my own chains at home. This is not homemade, but it could be. It's actually not that hard. So I'm going to show you one of my homemade chains. As you can see, it goes down to like right below my stomach. And I love being able to make my own chains. It's better, you can be able to frame more of your outfits. I think it's a huge plus. So today, that is what I will be teaching you how to do. First, you have to know your length and your materials. For lengths, you have to be able to think, do you want a chain that's 3 foot, 4 foot, 5 foot? Again, if I show you, this chain is 5 feet, I believe, and again, you can see where it goes to on my body. The lengths are important, and as well as materials, because you do have to think it can vary in price depending on that. If you want a metal chain, or if you don't mind a little plastic, as you can see, there's a difference. Plastic is a lot lighter, you can wear a lot more levels without weighing yourself down if that is a problem for you. Or you can have a simple metal. Now, these materials of either plastic or metal are available at Lowe's. It is the Pinnacle, Lowe's, Home Depot. Make your chains cheap at home. So today I have my chains. This is black and it's plastic. You can wear a metal, but the one thing you do have to look out for is these are not, chains like this are not meant to be worn. It's kind of like outdoor stuff. You can wear them, but that is not its main purpose. So there are some very heavy metals, so you do have to kind of feel the metals and know your length of, hey, maybe this is too heavy for me, because you obviously don't want to weigh down your neck. And you need one of these clips. I have the box from it. It is called a quick link. These are found right next to the chains. You want one that can close like this and just twist open like that, because the difference between these chains and like a store-bought chain, as you can see, you can just unlink and link. With these kinds of chains, you have to make sure they will go over your head as needed. So you can't make huge like chokers like this, but usually a lot of chains are not like that. So this is 3 foot. I believe with the plastic chains, it is 56 cents per foot. I could be wrong, but metals, again, that can be your varying price difference because they will be more expensive. So if you're starting out, I'd suggest like a light plastic, and colors will vary. You can have white, you can have black. I know there's also like yellow, but I'm sure you could paint them if you really wanted to, but I like basic colors. So as you see, you have your 2 ends. One of mine is broken, but that can happen because some employees, truth, they don't know how to cut it. So you get your little quick link, and this can be the difficult part. You have to push it really hard onto your chain. This is what takes me a while because I'm not a strong person. So I have it pushed on. It can be a little bit tricky to get it around the little ridges and through, especially if it's plastic. But when you have these kinds, it's easier. And when you put the broken ones on, you kind of want to make sure it's clipped like that. Now you are going to take your quick link and you're going to secure it, push it up as tight as you can. You're going to twist it. And there you go. Now you have your chain, again, 3 foot, goes down to like here. And as you can see, the layering works out better Ta-da! I know it can look kind of stupid with this outfit, but with the red outfit, it can work. And if I had a metal chain, I could add my other chain onto there. It just provides a lot. And with each chain, you should really spend no more than like $6, which to some people may be super pricey, oh my god, but you're literally paying $10 for chains, so why wouldn't you just do a little extra with like pushing a little metal clip on here. Again, the under $6 is for plastic chains, and most of the money can go into these clips. But as you can see, as long as you can fit it over your head, these clips should last a while, your chains should last a while. Just take care of them. Be safe out there. And that's how you make your chains for cheap.